They don't really care about your governments, right? Look at them. They're having a fighting and war physically, actually. I think they're going to start bombing each other. And here you are, you don't care. Even though you're rich or poor, you have to care about the situations of your government. I can say, anyways, any people all over the world, you have to care about your governments. If you say something about a situation, or they're going to make a law, uh, rule, articles that they are saying about the laws, you have to react. Hear the words in that article or the laws that they are going to implement, then question it. Question it. Here we are, innocent people, just doing our everyday life, but the governments are destroying that peaceful life of the people because of money, of course, also. So do your best also. Maybe you are one of the next leader in your country. Start to do your best. Maybe you are the one of the courageous person to fight for your country and be a leader, a wise one. Not like the leaders today. Because I can say common sense is getting away on a person's head. I hope we can come back at that common sense or knowledge or wisdom. At least, when will we have a care on what's happening in the government? Any organizations that they will introduce to you, the governments, question it. Because, well, last word, because it's a way, actually. Question it and they will answer more beyond why they want to implement that, etc. But last word is, if they want to have a war and bomb one another, I suggest to you, you leaders will go and bomb one another. It's a peaceful life, and today's modernized to do those kinds of wars, right? Those weapons is useless today. Well, talk, manage, I can say, we can manage it in a nice, wise, talking together face to face on any kind of problems, right? Face to face or papers than those wars. So good luck for the next generations. I hope maybe you can be the one. I can see that the not in my head it's only teens, but of course we have to consider those wanting to go in the run for leadership, even though it's old, right? They can also do it. And don't forget also God in your life. Good luck with us all over the world.